Hello, I'm Jackie from Zhongxing Motorcycle. Today we share small knowledge about the horn. As sometimes when we drive in the scooter, the horn will not work. You see the voice like this. So if you go to the repair shop, they will ask you to repair a new one. But actually, there's a easy way to fix the horn and make it work well. So come here. You see on the back side of the horn, there is a screw like this. So maybe because of this one is loosened, so we just need to fix it. Okay. Now we lose this screw. Yes. And use this one to fix it. Okay. Now we try again. Now it works well. Okay.